Everyone, welcome back to my channel, An Evening in My Life. Accepting living in a place that belongs to you is a mindset. Always try to build my space which can give me immense peace, positivity, and a good lot of good energy. And that's why I try to bring more color, more plants, living things to my space with all the five elements of the world. And according to the weather, I always try to build my space a little cozy right now in this massive rainy day. Growing plants is actually very therapeutic to me. It has a good aroma in this cozy climate. I always use and burn some candles, scented candles, some diffuser with some good essential oil to give me that immense positivity in my life. I always try to indulge myself after a good evening bath with some good skincare that actually makes my skin to glow and make my skin look healthy. And I think this is what self-care actually means. And a cup of green tea warmly is give you more relaxing effects. And some good self-pamper food in this cozy climate is just wow. And looking at my space which I have decorated in my end gives me more proud feeling. And a fulfilling staple, my own place origin food gives me more satisfaction than any other kind of food that we indulge into. Cooking is something is more therapeutic and meditating for me. So here I am making some good hot chocolate for this climate before I went to bed. And here, the forever love for friends and the ever waiting reunion begins.